Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, be rest assured that immediately you open my video, we're going straight to the point. So we're doing a weekly analysis today. Next week, what's going to happen in the market next week? So let's do it. The first thing I do is to come to the dollar index. The dollar index is the first thing I do. Let's give the network a little bit of time. I don't know why the network is not okay, it's working now. So when I come to the dollar index, I'm coming to the dollar index because I want to see what the market has done from the dollar perspective. Because the pairs I trade just two pairs. I trade pound and gold, GBPUSD and gold. So these two pairs, US dollar is their base currency. So I always analyze the US dollar first before I go to any other thing. So the first thing I do is to go to the weekly time frame. And I'm a day trader, by the way. Why am I going to this weekly time frame? I'm coming here to see what the week we just finished with did. And now when I'm in this weekly time frame, what I do is that I clear my previous drawing. I clear all drawing from my charts. Everything I had drawn for last week, analysis, trade and everything, I clear everything. So now guys, if you look well in this chart, you see that this market has been on an uptrend. But I'm not even caring about this move. I'm not caring about all this move here too much, because this is a weekly time frame. Like, this is too much data for me to care about. What I just want to see is like the last 3 weeks of this chart. So you have seen that it is in an uptrend. So the next thing I do not draw out levels in the weekly time frame. The next thing I do is I go to the daily time frame. So now I'm in the daily time frame. Okay, yeah, I could start drawing my levels, and I see something really very nice. I've seen that dollar have broken its previous major high. That's a very important data for me, because it has broken this previous major high. So there's more chance that this pair will keep going up. There's no chance that the dollar will keep going up in the long run. Like for this week approaching, the dollar will keep going up. So if the dollar will keep going up, I want to be buying. So now I have drawn my supports, the daily time frame. The next thing I'll do is to go down to the 4 hour, because I'm a day trader, and day traders, we don't really stick with the daily time frame. I just come to the daily once a day to just check what has happened the previous day, something like that. Then I'm moving on to the 4 hour, is where I really do my analysis, really draw out my levels and pay attention to. So yeah guys, in this 4 hour time frame, the market has done something very interesting here. And what it has done is that it has broken my supports. This was resistance before. It broke it and it's back. It tested. So now guys, I don't actually trade this pair. I just use it to know the next market move, because if the dollar is going up, it only means pound will be dropping. If pound is going up, it only means the dollar will be dropping. So that's why I analyze it, and analyze this dollar index, and it's very 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 important. So yeah, this level here, I'll call it my resistance. I'm drawing this resistance because the market could do two things now. The market could break, test here and continue going up, or it break this level, you break this resistance, test it and continue going up. So that's the two things this market can do. So yeah guys, since I have known that okay, the dollar index is facing up in general, so the next pair I'll go to is my pound, and I'll do same. I'll go to the 1 week data. Now I'm in the 1 week data. The next thing I do is to clear my charts. remove all drawings. And now if you look carefully, you see that the 1 week data here has also been bearish, just like the dollar index have been bullish. So therefore, I want to draw an important zone here that really sticks out in this weekly time frame. This is like a support where if this market touch, it might not break it easily. So I want to stay away from the market until it has broken this place or tested it and start moving in the opposite direction. So what I want to do here is that I want to draw out these zones, and now I want to go to my daily time frame. When I say daily, I'm going to weekly and daily, all these things, because of I'm doing a weekly analysis. I'll show you guys how I analyze in day-to-day basis in another video. So now I'm here. Something I see here is very important, because this market have been dropping significantly. It's just been facing down. It's been dropping significantly. It's been facing down in general. But if you look closely to this move here, the candles have become very weak. They are not as powerful like this, like the ones here. They're not as powerful like this one. So this is something to write home about. This is something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind, because this market might as well reverse. What it means to me is that this market might as well pay great respect to this zone. To this zone in general. The market might pay great respect to this zone. It might break it, it might test it and continue. We don't know yet, but the market will pay great respect to this zone. So any trade you're holding, don't hold a trade more than this zone. Just close around this zone and just go out. So but yeah, I'll draw my support and resistance. That's the next thing I'll do. So if you look closely here, you will see a very good support on resistance here. Very good support on resistance here. Yeah, this is the only thing I'll draw in this time frame, in the daily time frame. This is a very good support on resistance. The market broke this support, tested it. You go to the 4 hour, you will see a good test in it, and it has continued facing down. So now the next thing I'll do is to go to my 4 hour. So now if you look closely, you'll see the market tested this zone. Like I said, it broke it. Chill, man. Yeah, it broke the zone, tested it, and it has continued coming down. So now what am I going to do in this market? So what I want to do in this market is really it's not funny, but yeah, I feel like it's the best thing. I know that this market will most likely drop for next week. It will most likely drop for next week. So I am looking for only sale. I only want to sell this market, but I'll do something here. I'll draw my fib. I'll take my fib to the previous, from the last swing high to the next swing low. So I'll consider this as my fib point. So what I'm doing is that I'm waiting for this market to go back to the 61 point. I like making trades in the middle of the 50, the 0.50 zone and the 61.8 zone. I like taking my trades from here. So if you look closely, this is also in sync. It's also in confluence with the major zone here in the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, I'll be waiting for this market to come back here. What I mean by waiting for this market is that if this market does not come back to this zone, then I'm not trading. I'm not trading this. Then I'm not trading this pair till I see this market in this zone. So that's very important. So this market might most likely do something like this. And continue down. So that's what I expect this market to do. And that's what I'll be waiting for. And the next pair I trade is gold. So therefore I'm going to analyze gold. Go to gold. Okay, yeah. And the next thing I do, I go to the weekly time frame. Go to the weekly. And what next? I clear all drawings. Everything I drawn the previous week. I want to do a fresh analysis. That's what it means. So if you look closely here in the weekly, the market has approached a very major zone in the weekly. If a zone sticks out in the weekly, then it will most likely stick out in the daily and in the 4 hour. So now if you look closely here, guys, the market is at this major zone, but it almost touched the zone. Let me zoom out a bit. It almost touched this zone a week back. As it showed sign of rejection. It shows that buyers are around here. But let me take you guys back so you can see something clearly. Look at something. The last time the market came to this zone. Last time this market came to this zone. Look. The last time the market came here. This zone, look what it did. It also reversed back, but it still dropped. But yeah, this zone is not as significant like this zone. But this is something to pay attention to. So if so, I believe this market will still drop next week. I believe this market will still drop next week, touch this zone and still weak out. Touch this zone and buyers will still come in and weak it back. I believe that's what this market will be doing, but no, there's nothing to confirm now on the weekly time frame. I'll go to my daily time frame. And in my daily time frame, what am I seeing? I see something very significant here. I'll draw my resistance here because I see the zone to be a very good spot to draw my resistance. Yeah, this market broke below this zone, knowing the fact it's a sell market. The bearish market, it broke below this zone and it's testing it here. So if the market broke below this zone and is testing it, that means the market will sell next week. So what I'm expecting it to do, what I'll do now is to drop to my 4 hour. Drop to my 4 hour, and here in my 4 hour you could see a red candle in this zone I drew. So therefore the market might most likely respect it and drop. So I could even add my fib, and in my fib it is exactly the way I like it. The market has tapped into the 50th zone, and it's also in the middle the way I like it. It also tapped the middle in between the 0.50 zone and the 61.8 zone. It also tapped the middle, and this is how I love it. So from here I expect this market to drop aggressively, but there will be more confirmation, and that's part of my strategy. I expect this market to drop below. So that's my analysis for this week. So guys, if you really like this content, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing more contents like this. So guys, just stay tuned, and please comment down below if you really like this type of content, so just to encourage me to do more of this and just help me in the grind. Peace.